In a few moments, I'd like to introduce you to two ordinary guys who knew nothing about the stock market and now trade options and make between 2 to 9% a month on their cash. Hi, I'm Derek Whittaker, Director and Founder of Trading Institute. When it comes to trading the markets, most people just lose money. They have no strategy, no system, no clue. I've been privileged to be mentored by traders who regularly make between $30,000 to $40,000 a month. I've studied the markets, tested their strategies and put into practice what they showed me. And to get this kind of education, you'd have to do what I did. Research the market on your own for over 6 years, work in the industry, be networked to the right kind of people to show you how, test their theories, and then be surrounded by the right kind of people to teach you the right mindset that's necessary to trade. Thankfully, you don't have to wait 6 years. We've put all this together for you at Trading Institute.
I guess I just started to purchase some property in the United States, and I was really looking to expand my my portfolio in terms of wealth creation. After we spoke a few times, you mentioned options trading as another mechanism for generating cash flow, and I guess that was the real appeal. So I guess we spoke a little bit more, and you mentioned the course and the training process, and that sparked my interest. So I guess looking up options trading on Wikipedia to get a bit more of an idea of how it differed from stock trading was really where it kicked off.
What was your drive? What was your motivator?
Okay, it's a personal one. My wife and myself want out of our current business. We want out of our lifestyle. We want to spend more time together. And I was getting desperate, I'll be quite honest on that.
Yeah, I guess it really opens your mind, opens your eyes to the options that are out there. I guess if trading the US market, if I guess the Dow Jones or the Nasdaq go up or down, it doesn't really matter. There's always the option to make a dollar, which is very exciting.
Putting the trade on, watching it work, and realising once it's on there, you leave it, and it was like, oh, okay, let it run its course. That was an aha for sure. Another one was probably when one went against me, and I got out of it, and got back into it, and still made money. That was, if I had any doubts, then that cured it.
Realistically, I think it's for virtually anyone that's willing to try something a little bit different and wants to learn a new process for, I guess, generating wealth, but also, I guess, putting into perspective the values of creating wealth for family and, I guess, interactions with friends as well.
I suppose the best way to put it was, because it was a full 52 weeks, you learned it from absolutely nothing, like to go from shearing sheep to dealing with people and accommodation, and going to seminars and not getting the too much hype, like just too much hype and not enough truth. But doing this 52 weeks, right from the start, where it was the mindset, which I struggled with, because from my background, mindset was you just get up and go to work and man up, and so I struggled with that for a start. But in the end, it was definitely what kept us on board for sure.
The side of the trading that was most appealing to me, looking back on it now, was actually learning around the strategy and to be in the right frame of mind to get into the stock at the right time, and then know how to get out of it without stressing and panicking if you do get into trouble.
Yes. You've checked out a lot of other trading courses.
Yes.
How do they compare to the one you've done?
There's no comparison. That's the best way I can put it. I've along by working at home and doing the trading, I also managed to pick up a couple of copywriting courses and really studied what people can write you, what they can make you emotionally buy, and then you spend $5,000 or $6,000 on another course, and when you open it up and start on it, I'm glad they give a 3-month money-back guarantee, because after a month there's no help, there's no guidance. What their theory is and their plans is, if you had a very big account, it would work for you, with a lot more time and patience. But that didn't work. Honestly, that didn't work. And with the course that you do, or the course that you've are doing, it's so intense, and it covers every base, and it's it works, it really does.
Yeah, it's going exceptionally well. I've been trading for just over 6 months now. and averaging somewhere between 1.5% and 2% growth on my invested capital each month, which is a lot better than I'd ever get in a bank or most other investments in terms of property or businesses at this stage. Yeah, so the trades individually are returning somewhere between about 5 and 6% on the margin that I'm putting down for each individual trading.
My young fella, he's keen as he'll do trading when he's actually doing economics at school because he likes the trading side of it. And my daughter, oh yeah, she'll be a trader from no worries. It's good.
For me, I guess I had traded stocks and relatively unsuccessfully. At times I had traded and made some profits, but they weren't consistent winnings. I guess the benefit of having a consistent strategy, is that month in, month out, you can make a consistent return. And I guess in the longer run, for me, it's having the continual ability to make an income from this process, which is so appealing. And
so, who would you recommend this course?
I don't think you could put a recommendation to a specific person. I think it's open to anyone. I mean, if I'm a sheep shearer for 30 years, and from New Zealand too, just by the way, so you're going from a real cultured background where you just got to be a man, you got to be tough. If you have an issue, you fix it with your hands. So for me to be able to go out and sit at a computer, not for a long time, but find trades and put them on and be comfortable with it and confident, well, anyone can do it. Absolutely anyone.
To discover more, you're invited to join us for a free lesson called 7 Things You Must Know About Options Trading. And by the way, Trading Institute doesn't give general or specific advice like a financial planning firm. That's not what we're about. Rather, we teach factual information from my experience as a trader, teachings from other traders, and share the systems we've learned. Discover for yourself tradinginstitute.com.au, where you can fill out the form, and we look forward to catching up with you in our private online classroom.
if you're looking to get options trading education and see how the professional traders do it, then this trading course is for you.
If you really want to be a professional trader, this course has got the lot. Do it. Sign up now, down below. Right now.
Good, I think we got it. Good stuff.